very small, tiny building that was used, I think, in 1945, 1947 to accommodate the early passenger that used LAX. So it's ironic.
So was the one over the wing, was that kind of like midpoint of the if you had?
Utiliser la piste 4.
Does the gear rotate at all, or is it main gear?
There is a lot of gear steering.
It's 2995 at 319, push back up.
Yes, sir.
We would probably take off our amateur signs, do you think?
No, no.
Okay.
We actually put some of the tallest edge lights on the Toulouse runway, and we blasted, we simulated the A380 blast with the 346, and we did offsets takeoffs so that the outboard engine get RDI signs, and when they are slightly closer to the shoulder edge, we always ask whether or not they are mode 2 or class 2, class 3. They would
So as he turns, the gear knob also turns itself, huh?
yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
Beg your pardon? Which company is doing that? That's Airbus Industries on a PR tour.
And we always do.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yes.
How far do you clean the runway? How far do you?
Off right here, maybe.
Yeah. What we would recommend is that at least to plow until after the outboard engine, 100 feet from the center line. So you reduce according to the FAA rules, but you make sure that what you have between the center line and the outboard engine is not.
So right here is nothing. It wouldn't be any higher than
Yes.
702 Super Guide. Yes, sir. Once you're on the runway, will you need any time in position before you roll? Negative.
300 and probably 80 tons, something like that.
Northwest 1286, Minneapolis Granite G10. Hold the push for a couple of minutes. I'll push. Traffic behind you, it'll be a couple of minutes on the pushback. 768, Roger. Okay. Same for SCO is 2502. Get your camera out. 2502, will do. Airbus 702 Super to town. Airbus 702 Super.
Or you may want to position yourself near the expected rotation point so that we can probably capture the attention.
I was going to do a inspection.
Cross 30 left and problem Mike.
It's up to you.
We'll get clearance right after he leaves.
I'm making 2 shot turns.
Did you want to write on Alpha Bravo for continental 216?
Maybe that would have to be looked at the FAA.
Restrictions?
Airbus 702 Super Mix, runway 30 left. Turn right heading 360. Clear for you. Ops 4 to the approach runway 30. You can drive full leg for the inspection.
Ops 44, that was down Ops 44, so we could also like do inspection and visual.
Ops.